Welcome back, my friends. This is my new toy, 2026 Beta RR300 X Pro with 2025 plastics and decal kit, because I did not like the all red color of the 2026. It's too much red. I even left some red stickers away here on the tank shrouds because there's too much red. Couldn't get black frame guards, but well, I think it looks better. And also the red seat. I removed the seat cover, put a new one on from Blackbird Pyramid, and it's much grippier, and I think it looks better. I tried to leave this plastic part away too, but then you have a big gap in here and it just didn't look nice. So I changed a few things. The gearing, the brake rotor front, I always use Motormaster full floaters. They are very good and not very expensive, and work brilliant with the OEM Nissin brake pads. I put on a different pipe. It's from Black Laboratory. It's cheap. It's 180 euros instead of 380 for the original one. It sits a bit loose in the exhaust port, but I use O-rings which are about 1/10 of a millimeter thicker than the original ones, and so that's no problem. I also put on radiator guards and hand guards, wraparounds, stuff, the usual thing. I run tubeless in the rear and mooses at front. I also use a disc guard for the rear rotor because I bent one once, and since that day I use these. I also have a thicker clutch cover made from billet aluminum, and I cut off the two inner spikes of the brake pedal so that it won't punch into the cover when the bike falls on its side. I deleted the thermostat because I don't need one if it's really cold. I just put some race tape over the right radiator and I'm good to go. Yeah, well, that's all for now. See you. Cheers.